Welcome back. Today we are going to see about functions, how functions is declared and defined in the Go language and what is the naming convention and see some examples. So the name must be begin with the letters and can have any numbers and characters after that. Cannot start with the number and cannot contain the spaces. And the function start with the uppercase letter which can be exported to the other package. Any function start with the lowercase letters that can be used within the packages, similar like a variables. Okay, this is if a name consists of multiple words. If you want to use like a multiple words, then you use as a camel case concepts. Okay, like employee name, employee address, like this. Function names are case sensitive, similar like a variables. If you say like age start with the caps and all caps, all are different function or not the same. Okay, let's jump to the example now. So I have a main.go file here. So right now, func main. Next, I write one simple function. Okay, add number. So we are going to add two numbers. Say a integer, comma b integer. Then I'm going to return integer value. Okay, so here c a plus b return c. Okay, so first we declare the package name main. Okay, so here I'm going to call this function now. Let's say total. This is the sort declaration we last time saw in the example, right? So add number, say 10 comma 20. Then fmt dot println total is total. Okay. So what we have created here, we declare. So function is a func is a keyword. Let's say like in a Python we use a def. In a PHP use like function. So in a Go language it's a func. And add number is a function name, and we are declare two parameters, which is a and b. Both are is integer, and we are going to return the integer type values. So and here, so we are just adding together a plus b, and this is a short declaration. If you want to remove short declaration, then must use this way where. And another way we can use like where c integer, then we can remove here c. Okay, so this is the way we can declare the variables. So this is what we saw in the variable declaration. So you can refer my variable declaration videos. So I will give into the description that link. Okay, so now we run. So I'm expecting 10 comma 20, so which is 30. Okay, execute the main file. Go run main.go. So total is 30. Okay, so let's say next I want to declare in a different way. Now in the return types, we declare as a we are going to return as an integer, right? So they have one more option. We can return the named variable. So how we can return the named variable? We see here. Let's say I'm going to return c. So c as an integer. So I don't need to declare anymore because we already declare what is the c value. It's an integer. Okay. So we don't need here. Then here don't need. What's happened here? Well, we are telling that add the a and b and assign to the c and return the c. So here, when we declare the return, we say return the c, whatever value is assigned to the c, then just return. So this is a named return in the function. So you don't need to mention here return c. Okay. So then execute. So I will expect the same value. So return 30. So this is big. Okay. So next in a function, actually, we can return more than one values. Let's say I remove this integer, comma integer. So here I put short declaration. So return C. Okay. What I'm going to do now, D equal B minus A, return B. So here we assign only one variable here. So need to add total here sub. Then why the sub is because we declared, but we haven't used yet. So what we are going to do, format subtract. Okay, sorry, spelling mistake. Value is okay. So return, sorry, here is D. So what we'll get? We will get in the total we get 30. In the subtractor we will get 10. Let's see let's execute now. You see, total is a 30, value is so we can return more than one values, and also we can return named values here. So let's say C integer and D. So what will happen? We don't need to do the short declaration here. C is equal and D is equal, and we don't need to here. So we will give the same. Execute now. You see, total is a 30 and value is the subtract value is a 10. So return the same values. So this is the way of define and declare functions in the Go language. Okay. Thanks for watching. Next video we will see about the constants.